Welcome to ArtMagic.
Encourage your little artists to embark on a creative adventure with this step-by-step guide on drawing and coloring a simple big tree. Add a cloud-like shape at the end of each branch to represent the leaves. You can use simple oval or rounded shapes to keep it easy for kids. Scatter them across the branches, making sure to fill up the tree's canopy. Start by drawing a vertical line toward the bottom center of your paper. This will be the tree trunk. Keep it simple and straight, ensuring it takes up a good portion of the paper to make your tree look majestic. Extend several curved lines outward from the top of the trunk to create branches. Make them vary in length and thickness for a natural look. Feel free to make them twist and turn, giving your tree character. To add texture and depth to the trunk, draw some lines vertically or diagonally. This will give the tree a realistic and interesting appearance. Feel free to add knots or bumps for extra character. Now comes the exciting part, coloring. Let your creativity shine as you choose vibrant colors for the leaves. Greens and yellows work well, but feel free to mix it up. Use brown for the trunk and branches. Experiment with different shades to make your tree visually appealing. To complete your masterpiece, consider adding a simple background. You can draw a grassy field, a blue sky, or even a sun. This step is optional but adds an extra touch to the overall scene. Congratulations! You've just created a beautiful big tree filled with color and imagination. This step-by-step guide is designed to make drawing enjoyable for kids while enhancing their artistic skills. So, grab your pencils and let the creativity flow. Happy drawing! Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.